Social Security uses a 5-step disability definition. The first step is, are you doing substantial gainful activity? Substantial gainful activity is work where you're working, you're being compensated or could be compensated at a level of approximately $1,000 a month gross. The second step, if you're not working and doing substantial gainful activity, do you have a severe impairment? If you don't have a severe impairment, you're not disabled. A severe impairment is an impairment that lasts at least 12 months and interferes with work. The third step at which you can be found disabled is, do you have a listing level impairment? Listing level impairments have diagnoses and symptom level and are located in a really thick federal regulation book. The fourth step, if you don't have a listing level impairment, can you do your past relevant work? Relevant work is any work you've done in the last 15 years at the substantial gainful level. And finally, if you aren't doing substantial gainful activity, you don't have a listing level impairment, but you do have a severe impairment, you can't do your past work, can you do any work? Do you have the capacity to do any work? Not can you find a job, can you find a job which you want to do, can you find a job which will give you a wage that will allow you to live. Can you do any work? Do you have the capacity for that work? If you don't have the capacity for any work, you are disabled. There are additional rules under what are called the medical vocational guidelines, which allow workers over 50 and over 55 to have somewhat of a benefit because of the transferability of skills. That's how Social Security finds people disabled.